Hey, what's up? It's Jesse with Rendell RV. Today I want to take you around this 2022. It is a Salem FSX 190RT. It's about a 25-foot toy hauler with a little party deck on the back. This is made by Forest River. So I will take you around the outside and also hop you on the inside here. So up front you do get the electric tongue jack, 2 LP 20-pound tanks. There is a power shutoff switch right there in the front. We'll have 4 manual stabilizer scissor jacks. The step above steps here with the quick adjustments. Big electric awning with your LED lights. As you see that sticker there, you got the accessibility underneath the bottom of this camper here. Here's a look at the excuse me. Here's a look at the party deck. It's new this year from Lippert. It just locks into place there, and it's got the wheels that keep it from scratching up the floor. The back side, you get an outside shower, and there's a spray port there. It's got the backup camera prep, also solar prep. What I like about this model is the big windows. So over here on your door side, which is typically your picnic table side, you get a really good view. So this one's going to have 2 couches that also can fold up if you want to bring like a golf cart, 4-wheeler, dirt bike in here. Also, this one and this one could just be 2 single beds. It's got a removable table. You can just place it where you want, whether it be inside or outside. It's got the convection microwave, 3-burner stove, vent hood, your storage. Also, too, what I like, right across from this couch here, you'll have your fireplace and your TV locations right up there. Bluetooth radio, you got inside and outside speakers. This one comes with the bug screen here. Also too, it's got the hard sided part that can also roll down and keep you warm. Also inside of this FSX you get 3 of these storable stackable tubs. Sink cover there, get you more counter space. Also, this glass cover there, get you more counter space. This is the 10.7 12-volt full electric refrigerator. Up front, so you got your RV queen. One wardrobe, some storage, emergency window, storage over here, and some storage here. A little bit of counter space there, and also another spot for a TV right there. Also, this is a toy hauler, so you get 2 vents, one here, and there's one back here in the back. Get you some cross ventilation, little bot opener there. Let me open up these windows so you can check out the view. Here we go. So this is why I like this model so much. Massive windows, plus you get the party deck on the back. If you're interested in this model, you can call us at 903-326-4080. Also, you can look at more photos on our website at rendelrv.com.